On today's video, I'll show you how to make some repairs to MTH Protosound 2 5V engines. These small repairs will extend the life of your engine as well as improve its sound and performance. Before starting today's project, if you like to see content similar to this, please make sure to like and subscribe this video. We're going to make these repairs on this giant Protosound 2 5V propane turbine. This engine is absolutely massive and has 4 motors in it, as well as the Protosound 2 5V board and some other electronics we'll go through. First step is let's take it apart. With the engine apart, we can see we already have a BCR installed. We can also see we have a MTH diesel slave board as well as the Protosound 2 5V board under it. In this case, we want to remove the Protosound 2 5V board so we can see if it has a problematic capacitor as well as some other test procedures we can do with it. One of the other common improvements on Protosound 2 5V engines is to install a BCR. As you can see, this engine already has a BCR. That's the red box to the right there. If you'd like to learn how to make your own BCR, check out one of my other videos in the comments below. With the board removed, what we're looking for is to see if we have one of the well-known bad capacitors. It would be labeled wind cap. It's also usually purple. And on this board, it just so happens that we do have the capacitor, so I'll show you what that looks like here. Not all 5V boards have bad capacitor, but if yours does and the board is still functional, you should try and replace it as soon as possible. However, it is a bit of a tricky repair and should only be done if you are confident in your abilities of using a soldering iron. The replacement capacitor part will be in the comments below. With the new capacitor soldered in, let's go take this to the test bench and see if everything's working appropriately. Alright, it looks like our repair worked and the board is working as expected. The next improvement we'll make is replacing the speaker in the engine. And that finishes all the repairs for this engine. The speaker I used is located in the description below. Let's now run this around the layout.